Welcome to our video about the IBM Cognos Analytics portal, where we'll show you coach marks, searching, the My Content and Team Content folders, navigating, and the new welcome page, as well as where to look for a few key actions. Coach marks help new users get started. If you click on the dots scattered about the UI at key places, a hint appears. For example, if I click on this dot next to My Content and Team Content, the hint tells me about accessing content. If you click the X on the hint, like this, you won't see that particular hint again. I'll open this hint down by New to show that if you click Turn Off Hints, like this, you won't see any hints anymore. To make it easy to find what you're looking for, you can search through your personal and corporate content. For example, for the word Dashboard. Click Search. Type Dashboard and press Enter. If there are a lot of results, click on the Narrow Your Search filter icon at the top right of the panel. For example, I'll narrow these search results to show only folders and dashboards by clicking checkboxes for those two types of objects. You can also filter by the modified date by clicking one of the radio buttons beside Today, Yesterday, Past Week, or Past Month. You can browse content instead of searching for it. To browse through your personal content or any content that you copy or save into your My Content area, click My Content. To browse through your corporate content, click Team Content. For example, navigate a path by clicking Samples, Reports, Active Reports. You can go back to the previous level by clicking the Previous button at the top left, in this case, to go back to Reports. There are also breadcrumbs across the top that you can click to go directly to that level. When there isn't room to show all the levels as breadcrumbs, as for example if I click on Drill Through Reports with its longer name, the folder icon to the right of the previous icon becomes a button to show the collapsed items, so you can click on an item in the list to go directly to that level. In this case, I'll select Samples. If there are no collapsed items, clicking the folder button takes you to the root team content level. This panel is resizable. Click the right border and drag it to widen it, perhaps to show more breadcrumbs or longer file names. For the next part, I'll navigate to the Dashboards folder. You can change the sort order of the list by clicking the Sort button at the top right of the panel. By default, items are sorted by name in ascending order, as shown by this arrow beside Name. If you click Name again, the sort order is reversed. To sort items by their modification date, click Sort again and click Modified. I'll just set that back to the name sort though. As with searched items, you can filter the list by type by clicking on this Type button at the top of the panel. To view or modify the properties of an object, click the More button beside it and select Properties. The Advanced Properties section is collapsed by default. Expand it by clicking on Advanced. To show you another navigation tool, I'll click the Weather Analytics dashboard in the list to open it. There's a switcher in the middle of the application bar at the top. Click it to see a list of what you have open. In this case, I was already working with the Country Comparison dashboard. I could close it by clicking the Remove button to its right, or switch to it by clicking on it. You can also return to your home page, usually the welcome page, from the switcher. But there is also a Home button at the top of the navigation bar to the left. Click it to take you there immediately. The welcome page has tiles for quick access to items you've worked with recently. There is a Show More link that you can use to see more of these tiles. Or you can click Recent over on the navigation bar to select recent items from a list. On the right side of the welcome page, there's a quick reference section with links to introductory videos and other information. At the bottom, there's a drop zone you can use to upload data files. If you want to create new content, click New at the bottom of the navigation bar on the left. To access your personal settings, click the Current User button at the right side of the application bar. This is also where you sign out. Finally, if you are an administrator, you'll find those functions by clicking Manage on the navigation bar. If you're not an administrator, you won't see it there. Thank you for watching this video on using the portal. Please comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.